So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Happiest Mindshare. So we know that today the stock was completely flat and it has closed near the 740 rupees level. So we know that 2-3 days back when we have discussed near the 700 rupees region, so we identified that immediate next possible levels would be 720 plus, and the company has attained that particular levels very comfortably. So now since it has reached near the resistive region, so what would be the next possible support and resistances? So we'll try to find out that. So if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so before starting our discussion about Happiest Mind, so we know that in Telegram, I'm updating all the technical charts whenever any stock is approaching any support region or when it is about to give any sort of breakout, I'm uploading that. And we know that 2 days back itself, we have discussed 2 stocks, that is tech related companies, especially related to cloud computing and those all stuff. So all those companies are performing very well, and today that particular stock has also hit the upper circuit. So if you're interested to find out such stocks, do message me in Instagram so that I'll make the part 2 of the video in which we'll discuss stocks related to artificial intelligence. So if you're interested, do message, so that time I'll have an idea that how many people are interested, and according to that I will make the video. And do join the Telegram group if you have not joined, so I'll provide link in the comment section. So coming to today's traded quantity versus deliverable quantity, so you can see almost 15 lakh shares have been traded, and you can see only 4 lakh shares have been taken into deliveries, and percentage you can see 29.95 is the delivery percentage. So little good. So when we identified the each and every breakout, basically, so from starting 500 rupees level, when we were discussing about Happiest Minds on regular basis, I have uploaded the chart patterns, what are the future prospect. So each and everything we have discussed, and the share also is performing at that particular range itself, because quality matters. So whatever quality we are discussing about Happiest Mind, so completely each and everything is present in it. So that's why it is trading at that particular region, that is near 740, 700 very comfortably. So now we'll try to identify the levels, because market was also volatile today. So many people had many questions regarding what would be the next possible targets. So each and everything we'll try to understand. Okay, so if you see day to day wise deliverables, so how they are being taken. So you can see on May 4th, we have seen almost 19.4% deliveries, and you can see stock was down almost 0.1%. So obviously after giving such a huge movement, any stock tries to consolidate for a certain period of time before starting its new rally. So that is what we can see in Happiest Mind. So previous movements also you can compare 8%, 5%, 2%. So it has given some continuous momentum because it is a strong company. Obviously whenever any chance is there, everyone tries to buy it. So same thing happened here also. So after giving a considerable breakout, now it is trying to consolidate. So a simple pattern is followed by Happiest Minds. So whenever it gives breakout, it consolidates, again it gives breakout, again it consolidates. So that is the basic pattern it follows, and we need to understand that clearly, and we need to trade accordingly. If you're doing any swing trade or if you're investing for long term, so then you can try to average. So all these things we are discussing. So now quickly let's go to technical charts. We'll see what are the levels. Okay, so we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see first is 1 week chart. So whenever we start any analysis, I tell you to analyze on a larger time frame. So in 1 week chart, clearly you can see the way the stock was performing. So continuous momentum. So not even a single day or a single week, basically it has showed some major fall. Okay, you can understand that clearly. Yeah, so clearly we can understand that not even single week it has showed any sort of major correction. So the level from where recently it has given breakout, you can see that is the 679 rupees region. So when it has given breakout from that particular region, we have seen some very good movement, and it has gone to the 700 plus rupees region. So now again it is trying to retest the 700 rupees level. It may not, but seeing the chart pattern, we can see that little profit booking is seen at that particular levels. So money flow index also, you can see that is being trading continuously in the overbought region. So that is near 89, 90s. In that particular region only money flow index is trailing. Why? Because nobody is willing to sell, because potential is present obviously. So when potential is present, nobody will try to sell. Only big people who do swing trades, that is they take short term trades, so they will try to exit. So ultimately stock corrects little bit, again it will start retracing. So that is very important. So I may suggest you watch the 720 and 700 rupees region. Okay, understand this, 720 and 700. Okay, so these two regions are going to be very important. So in that particular region you can try to average. Okay, so watch carefully. So this is in 1 week chart. So let us simplify further and let us go to 1 day chart. Okay, so now we are on to 1 day chart. So in 1 day chart, clearly you can see the correction is temporary. So that is clearly we can understand. So whenever it gives any breakout, it moves in a certain manner for 2 to 3 days. Again, it shows 3 days correction. So 2 days already completed. Let us hope that 3 to 4, let's say more 2 days correction. If it happens, again, it will start retracing. So understand all these things before you're investing. So try to analyze on multiple time frames so that you'll get some best results. Okay, so money flow index also little in daily time frame, it has gone up and now it is trying to retrace. Okay, don't worry about that. Money flow index for these type of stocks is generally high, but that's not a major concern. So for us, major reason is we need to enter at the right levels if you have not invested anything yet. So focus on 700 and 720 for the targets of 750 plus in the midterm. Okay, so again it will break out that 800, again it will consolidate. So like that it will continue its particular journey for long term. So understand these things and definitely don't try to book your profit, hold it for a larger time frame. So whatever we see in persistent systems, so that also performed very well. So that type of levels also may be seen in Happiest Minds. Okay, so hoping for the best. If you're having any further queries, you can message me in the comment section. And also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.